Welcome to my channel. Virgin Media Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting? Here's the fix. Step 1. Restart your Virgin Media hub, turn off your Virgin Media router for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the internet to reconnect properly. Step 2. Check router placement. Keep the router in an open area, away from walls, TVs, microwaves, and metal objects for better signal strength. Step 3. Move closer to the router. If your Wi-Fi disconnects in certain rooms, try moving closer to the router to test the connection stability. Step 4. Reduce connected devices. Too many devices connected at the same time can slow down or disconnect your Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused devices. Step 5. Check Virgin Media service status. Sometimes the issue is from Virgin Media's side. Check if there's a local outage in your area. Step 6. Update your router firmware. Make sure your Virgin Media hub is running the latest firmware version for improved performance and bug fixes. Step 7. Split 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Separate the Wi-Fi bands in router settings and connect devices to the best network for stability. Step 8. Change Wi-Fi channel. Wi-Fi interference from nearby networks can cause disconnecting issues. Change the wireless channel in router settings. Step 9. Use Ethernet for testing. Connect your PC or laptop directly to the router using an Ethernet cable to check if the issue is only with Wi-Fi. Step 10. Factory reset the router. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to restore default settings and set up the router again. Thank you for watching.